Hey, what's up guys, Emmanuel here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your Panasonic R5 blades and foil. Alrighty, so all we got to do here, you see that button on the side there, just press that and then pull the foil out. Alright, and when you turn it other way, you're going to see the two clips right there. Squeeze it in and then pull this out. This is your old foil right here, so make sure to hold on to this one right here, because when you buy your replacement foil, it's not going to come with this. So please make sure and hold on to this. And I will remind you that this foil right here, you can replace them every year. Every year, but it also depends on how often you use the device. If you don't use it a lot, there's no need replacing that every year. Alrighty. So if you receive your brand new replacement foil, just repeat the same thing. Put it in just like that. You're gonna hear that click. Alright. That's it. That's how you replace your foil. Alrighty. So the blade on the device, very simple guys. You're gonna hold on to this so that the machine will keep moving. You hold on to this and then you hold this right there and pull it straight up, guys. Just like that. That's how you do it. Repeat the same thing here. Pull it straight up. Alright. Once you receive your brand new foil, all you have to do, match it up just like that and squeeze it down. Easy, right? Repeat the same thing. Be careful with these, they're pretty sharp. Match it up and squeeze it down, guys. That's it. That's how you replace your blades. This blade right here, this every 2 years you gotta replace them. Once again, you don't have to if you don't use it a lot. Alright, so it's every 2 years you replace these. So putting it back on the device, make sure this side over here with the whatever logo out there facing the machine, just like that. Alright, that's it. That's how you do it. Device is working. That's it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to shoot a separate video on how to replace the battery. Alright, just in case your battery is not holding charge anymore, that you want to replace it and put a brand new battery. Alrighty. Once again, it's Manuel. You guys stay safe now. See you in the next video.